Hi folks, welcome to video number 152. This video is on constructing triangles. The keywords I've got for you are construct, protractor, pair of compasses, arcs and perpendicular. So construct means to draw accurately. Protractor is the tool in which you use to measure angles and draw angles. Pair of compasses is just a compass, or what you might call a compass in school, but they're actually called a pair of compasses, like a pair of scissors. And then arcs are just parts of circles that you're drawing. And a perpendicular is a line that is a right angle to another line. Okay, so if it's right angles, it's perpendicular. All right, so in this video, we're going to use some equipment. I'm just going to pause it because I need to get a protractor in for the first question. So I'll be 2 seconds. Won't even be that. Okay, I've got that and I'm good to go. So in the method, it states that if you are asked to construct a triangle from words, you've got to draw a sketch of the triangle. Well, I've given you some sketches here already, some drawings that have already been done. So use a ruler to draw the baseline of the triangle. If you are given 3 side lengths, you must use a compass or pair of compasses and set it to the required size to draw the arcs from the base. If you get an angle and sides, then you will need to use the protractor to draw the angle from one end of the base and the compass to draw the line from the other. Base should have an E on the end there. So make an accurate construction of the following triangle. This triangle is the first one in the first question, the pink one. And you've got a side length or base of the triangle 4.5 centimeters. What we do is we just bring your ruler in and you make sure you measure 4.5 centimeters and you draw a straight line. Okay, so I'm going to do that with the line tool, and I think that's me getting it up there. No, maybe not. I just brought up a percentage. Hold on. Is it going to work? Yes. So there we go. We're going to draw a line there to there, 4.5 centimeters. All right, so that's as good as I'm going to get on the computer. Get back to that, move the ruler out of the way a little bit of that line, because what we need to do next is measure a 30-degree angle from one end of the line. So the left-hand side has got the angle on, so I'm going to put the end of the protractor, or the center of the protractor on the end of the line, I should say, and then I'm going to measure 30 degrees. Okay, now the 0 is on the inside there. It's being a bit awkward. Right, 0 is on the inside, so I'm going to go around 30 degrees here. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw another straight line. So let's see if I can get that tool back up. Another straight line, 30 degrees. Okay, the lines are a bit fat, right, and your pencil lines won't be as fat as my lines, but there's my 30-degree angle. Okay, and then get the arrow back up, move the protractor away. So I'm nearly there. I've just got to just join this bit up here. Okay, so what am I doing to do that? Well, I need to know where 3 centimeters is along here. All right, so let's go and see if we can rotate this ruler around a little bit. I'm sure I can. There we go. I've got the option of doing that now. So sticking that on there and then measuring where 3 centimeters is along the line. Okay, starting at the base there, and then all I've got to do is get that tool back up to draw another straight line. Okay, and that's going to go from the end of our line that we drew at 4.5 centimeters and join it to that 3 centimeter line there. Okay, now you could rub that bit out there. Okay, there's our 30-degree angle, there's our 4.5, there's our 3 centimeter, and it would be a good idea to write those things in. Okay, so I will do that. Okay, I'm just going to write down 3, 4.5, and then that would be 30 in there. Okay, apologies for the fat pen on this one. It's just what I have to use, unfortunately, to get the tools up. So that's the first construction completed. Done it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that, move that out of the way, and then look and read the second question. So number 2, got to make an accurate construction of the following triangle. It's a similar sort of process, but this time we've got 3 side lengths, and we're going to use the compass here, or the pair of compasses. So I've got an 8 centimeter base. So can I fit that in? I'm going to draw it down as far down the bottom as I possibly can. Hopefully this fits into that box. I haven't tested it. All right, so let's draw that straight line there from there to there, 8 centimeters. And then get the pair of compasses in, because I still need the ruler so I can measure things. All right, massive pair of compasses here. And we've got a 7.5 and a 6 centimeter line. So let's see if this works. I'm pretty confident it's not going to now, but looking at it, so we've got 7.5. Yeah, it's far too big. So what we have to do is set that there. Okay, it might still be in the picture. It's just going to go outside the box, right? But we set that there, and what we do is we draw an arc coming from there. Okay, so draw a big old arc, right? I'm going to move that out the way. I'm going to rotate that back round, so I can then do that from the other side. Okay, so I've just flipped that around, right? I need a 6 centimeter measurement now for the other side length. So there's my 6. Measure that, set the compass point 6 centimeters. Okay, and then from the other end of the line, so that's there, I'm going to draw another arc. Okay, and that meets there. Okay, you can see where the two arcs intersect, they cross each other. Move that stuff out the way. And what I will do is I will get in the straight line drawing tool again. So from the end of the line here, I'm going to go to that point of intersection, and from the end of the line here to that point of intersection. Okay, now you leave those construction arcs in. That's fine to do. You can see I've gone out of the box there. All right, I'm not going to faff around with it. You understand what I'm talking about, I would hope. Yes, so I'm just going to move that stuff out of the way, and then obviously you would just label it. I'm not going to bother labeling the sides either, because it just looks a bit messy. All right, so please, please make sure you do that yourself. You label the sides of your triangle that you've constructed. Right, now let's have a little look at the third and final question. All right, what I might do is just see if I can resize the ruler a little bit, so I can. Can I do that? I think I can. Not sure how. That's no. Oh, this is a mess, isn't it? No, it doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. Right, so 5 centimeters. Let's see where that is. There you go. So I've resized that. Bring that back in. We've got to construct a triangle that is equilateral. So 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So yeah, 5 centimeter sides. All right. Basically, we set that to 5 centimeters. Okay, and we draw an arc from there. We need to draw a straight line first, actually, don't we? So we draw our straight line from there to there. Okay, and then we're going to draw our arcs using this pen here. So from there, draw an arc. Okay, flip that around. Don't need to resize the compass. Just need to put it at the other side. There you go. So from there, and there you go. Right. So moving that out of the way, getting that straight line drawing tool back up, we've got an equilateral triangle, 5 centimeter sides. Same thing as the last question. All right, that's the same as that, same as that. And then what I can do is measure the perpendicular height. So measuring the perpendicular height, if I try and not change the size of the ruler, because otherwise that would change the scale of things. All right, I measure from the base up to the very top point of the triangle. It's really hard for me to see what that is, unfortunately. I think it's about 4.5 centimeters. So we'll say 4.5 centimeters as the answer to that one. It might need to be a little bit more accurate than that. Just get the pen up and write in there 4.5 centimeters. All right, that's that measurement from here to the base. Okay, the perpendicular height is the height at a right angle. Okay, and that's always the height that we're interested in. And then the final thing, just calculate the area of the triangle. Well, we know the base is 5. Okay, 5 multiplied by 4.5. We could work it out on the calculator because I'm not sure what that is and I'm getting tired, but I haven't got the calculator here and I can't get it without faffing about. I'm just going to do it on my calculator that I've got in front of me. So 4.5 times by 5 is 22.5, and then half it. That's why I needed my calculator. So 11.25, because it's a triangle, and you always half the area once you multiply the 2 dimensions together, don't you? Learned that ages ago. All right. And that would be in centimeters squared because it's an area. All right. So it's a little bit of an awkward video, this one, unfortunately, because of the tools I've got to use, and it's a bit clunky. But it's about all I can really do on the computer. It's about as best as I can make it at the moment. If I figure out another way of doing it, I'll re-record it, make another one for you. But thank you so much for watching it. Hope it's made sense to you. I hope you understand the world of constructions and constructing triangles. There's more on constructions and loci coming up later, which is a lovely topic. So this is a good skill to know how to do. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. And click the link in the description and practice, practice, practice. Bye.